So I'm audible, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Oh,
sir.
thank you so much. Okay. Uh, so those in symbiotic relationship, we are going to talk about uh, those that are able to both gain, only one gain, while the other is unaffected. Why only one gain, while the other is affected. The other is affected. So this one is equal to what? This one is equal to what? This one is equal to what? Who can tell me? The first one, both gain. What kind of symbiotic relationship is it? Specifically from the SS2 students. What kind of relationship is that? Nobody. If nobody, just say no so that I can continue because we don't have much time. Nobody, right? Okay. Can we hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So both gain, the association there, mutualism. One gain while the other is affected. That is commensalism. One gain while the other is affected. That is parasitism. So in commensalism, the okay, let me write bother writing that. Okay. So in mutualism, both organisms involved are able to gain. So at times in some of your tests, you see this written as plus plus. Plus plus means that you gain, I gain. Commensalism written as plus zero, meaning you gain, I do not gain, neither do I lose. Why parasitism? This is plus minus. You gain while I'm suffering, right? So here, e.g., those involved in mutualism relationship, you can have, for example, fungus and an algae in a lichen. Okay, you have many more examples, but you can check your textbooks for that. Okay, so this one, a very common one, shark and removal fish. Third one, e.g., parasitism, as is humans and bugs, for example, or humans and mosquitoes. Let me say, or mosquitoes. human being is the supply of nutrients to them, why they are causing diseases to us, right? So they are the only ones gaining. Shark and removal fish. The removal fish is just usually attached to on the body of the shark. So while the shark is just doing its own thing, feeding the remains of the food that the shark has eaten, we get to the removal fish, and that would consume on that food as well, on the remains of that food. So why it stay on the body of the shark does not affect the shark fish in doesn't affect the shark in any way. So fungus and algae in a leaching. So the function of the fungus is to supply moisture. As we all know that for manufacture of food to take place via photosynthesis, water is one of the requirements for that process to occur. So fungus is able to provide that moisture for algae to manufacture food. So meaning that's the role fungus is able to play. So the role that the algae is able to play in that leaching is that the algae manufactures the food. So once the food has been manufactured by the algae, they both utilize it. So the algae is able to use some of the energy as it has manufactured, while fungus is also able to feed on these food substances that has been manufactured. I will get what I'm saying. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we're going to talk about photosynthetic now. So for photosynthetic, or let me say photosynthesis, you should know that these are organisms that are able to manufacture food via energy from the sunlight and inorganic substances like carbon dioxide and water. Do we all get that definition?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Do we all get that definition?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do we all get
Yes,
that
sir.
definition?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes,
Is
sir.
Yes,
there
sir.
anybody on this call?
Yes, sir.
Can we hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
How come
Yes, sir.
I've been asking and there was no response? Don't you hear me on time? Okay, anyways. I was asking that does anyone get the definition that I just mentioned up while for photosynthesis?
Yes, sir. Um,
Okay, okay. So photosynthesis I said is the process of organisms, specifically green plants, manufacturing food with the use of energy from the sunlight and also as well inorganic substances like carbon dioxide and water. So the equation of reaction usually is we have CO2 here plus H2O. So that will give C6 H12O6, and as well you have O2. So to balance, you have 6 written there, and you have 6 here. Sometimes you can have this written like this. So in some of our tests, they write like this: sunlight, uh, and activated by enzymes, absorbed. So I want to write absorbed there. Absorbed by chlorophyll. So meaning that all of these processes there, number one, you need what? You need sunlight to be present. You also need enzymes to be present, and as well you need chlorophyll to be present as well. So it's a whole complex of reaction steps. Are you getting me? And these reaction steps can be divided into two. So meaning can be divided into two in photosynthesis. You have the light stage, or also called the Hughes reaction, and you have the dark stage, or also called Calvin's, also called the Calvin cycle. Someone is trying to join the session. Let me see. Oh, under a minute. All right, so we are going to end the call now. So I'll send another link for the session now. Okay, so everybody can leave the session. Okay.